Hi everybody, and welcome to the A to Z guide to phrasal verbs from English Made Simple. What I'd like to show you in this intro video is an example of some of the lectures so you know exactly what to expect. So I'm going to choose two lectures at random. Let's begin here with the phrasal verb iron out. Okay, so what does this mean? To iron out means to reach a mutual agreement or mutually resolve some difficulties. So if we look at an example here, I spoke to the client yesterday, now we just need to iron out a few problems with the project before we proceed with the next one. And now let's jump into a different phrasal verb, cut back on. So what does this mean, to cut back on? If we cut back on something, we do it less. Another example for you here, you should really cut back on junk food. It's very unhealthy. I'm trying to cut back on coffee. So, as you can see, we deliver the lectures with simple drawings and simple examples. In this course, there are over 100 phrasal verbs for you to learn, so it's very extensive. You will have questions throughout the course to help you test your knowledge, and I will be available to answer any questions that you might have. So please do feel free to send me a message here on Udemy. So I hope you enjoy the course. I'm going to let you get started, and I'm looking forward to your feedback.